Hi, my name is Eddie Dahm from Dinosaur Valley Studios. Welcome to the Bone Zone, where we talk about everything bones. Today we are going to be talking about 3 different skulls from 3 different animals. Can you guess which skull belongs to which animal? Let's start with this one. If you guessed wolf, you're correct. The skull of the wolf, or Canis lupus, is long and robust. As you can see, they have long, sharp teeth indicating their status as a carnivore. These teeth at the front of the jaw are called incisors and are used for cutting and shredding meat. These large, pointy teeth are called canines and are used for biting and gripping prey. These long, jagged teeth at the back are called the molars. They're used for crushing bone and chewing their food. Wolves have a large cranial capacity or brain case to hold their large brains. These large brains help with the wolf's complex hunting and social behaviors. Wolves are carnivores and have many features to help them hunt. They have long nasal passages in their muzzle to help with scent tracking their prey. A wolf has around 280 million scent receptors in this nasal passage, compared to the 5 million or so we humans have. Wolves are most active during dawn and dusk and have large forward-facing eye sockets to help with hunting prey in lower light conditions. This crest at the back of the cranium is called the sagittal ridge or crest, and it provides muscular attachment points to help increase the bite force of the wolf. Now let's take a look at the next skull. What animal does this skull belong to? If you guessed the beaver, you're correct. The first thing that you probably noticed about this beaver or Castor canadensis skull is the large, prominent incisors. These teeth never stop growing during its life. The orange color comes from high amounts of iron contained in the enamel. These high amounts of iron help increase the strength and hardness of the teeth. Beavers use these large incisors to strip bark and cut down trees to help in the construction of their dams and lodges. Beavers are the largest rodents in North America and semi-aquatic, which means they live partly on the land and partly underwater. Their skull has adapted to this lifestyle, and the position of their eyes and nostrils at the top of the skull lets them see and breathe while swimming in the water. Beavers are herbivores and eat leaves, twigs, bark, and other underwater foliage. They have flat, even molars to assist in grinding this plant matter down. Beavers can close their lips behind their teeth, which allows them to chew and chisel underwater and keep mud and dirt out of their mouth. Like the wolf, beavers have a fairly prominent sagittal ridge, which helps increase surface area for muscle attachment to help with their very strong bite. Now, what animal does this skull belong to? If you guessed the bobcat, you're correct. The bobcat, or Lynx rufus, has a small, compact skull which on average is 4 to 5 inches in length. They have small pointed canines for catching and eating small prey like birds, rabbits, and mice. You can see here that the canines are very long compared to their skull size. This allows them to deliver a single lethal bite to their prey. Like the wolf, they are carnivores. However, they're solo hunters. They have a large cranial capacity which assists in problem solving and prey stalking behavior. The bobcat is mostly nocturnal, and they have very large forward-facing eye sockets to assist in jumping through the trees and across uneven terrain in low light conditions. Like wolves, bobcats have a great sense of smell and hearing and small padded feet, which makes them almost totally silent even when moving on snow. Their sagittal ridge is almost completely non-existent, as they don't need a strong bite force to kill their small prey. Here we have the lower jaws of the wolf, beaver, and the bobcat. Lower jaws are also known as mandibles. The mandibles of these animals are all highly specialized tools that all assist the animal's survival in unique ways. Wolves have long, strong jaws, and long, sharp teeth to help them grab and hold on to large prey such as elk, deer, and moose. Beavers have stout, compact jaws with lots of surface area for muscle attachment. This muscle attachment assists them in chopping down trees and dragging logs to build their lodges and dams. Bobcats have small, lightweight mandibles and long, sharp teeth to help them deliver a singular quick bite to small prey. That's all for today's episode of the Bone Zone. Thank you all for having me, and see you guys next time.